In this video, we'll be solving this functional problem. Given f of 7 over 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 10 over x squared plus 1. What is f of 1? We can use two methods to solve this question. Let's see the first method. First method is a general method. First, we can use t for the inside part. So then just let the t equals 7 over 2 to the power of x minus 1. Then both sides times 2 to the power x minus 1, then both sides divided by t. Then we have 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 7 over t. Move negative 1 to the right hand side. Then we have here 7 over t plus 1. Because we want to solve for x, then converting the exponential form to logarithmic form. So then here the exponent x, then here log base 2. Then the whole thing put inside. The 7 over t, then plus 1. Okay, so now we can do the substitution. So let's write down the given condition. So the given condition is f of 7 over 2 to the power x minus 1 then equals 10 over x squared plus 1. So now we're going to use t for this part. Then use this part to replace x. So then we have the f function. So then this one is f of a t. Then here on top is 10. On the bottom, so use this one for x. So that's log base 2 of 7 over, use a common denominator. So then here just 7 plus t. Then whole thing squared. Then plus 1. That's the f function. So now we are ready to figure out what is f1. Then f1 just equals, then here top is 10, then the bottom here is 1 for the t here and the t here. So then here log base 2, so here is 7 plus 1 divided by 1, the whole thing squared plus 1. Then simplify the denominator. So this one 7 plus 1 over 1, just log base 2 of 8, then squared, then plus 1. Then for here on the bottom, so 8 we can put as 2 to the third, then squared plus 1. Then based on this property, that's log base a of a to the power x. When the two bases are same, then just equals x. So that's why here see the two bases are same. So this log just equals 3. So then here just top is 10. So this log just is 3. Then outside square. 3 squared plus 1. Then simplify, the bottom is 10, top is 10, the answer is 1. That's the first method. Now let's see the second method. Second method is a shortcut. So let's see. So let's start from the given condition. That's f of 7 over 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 10 over x squared plus 1. Then we are looking for what is f of 1. Then the first step, we're going to let the inside part equals 1. Now let's see. So we can let the 7 over 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 1. Then both sides times 2 to the power x minus 1. Then we have 2 to the power x minus 1 equals 7. Then move negative 1 to other side. Then 2 to the power x equals 8. Then 8 equals 2 to the third. Then x equals 3. So now let's see what is f1. So then f1 just use 3, replace x here. So then here on top, that's a 10. On the bottom, that's a 3 squared plus 1. The bottom is 10. Then simplify, that's 1. So 1 is answer for this question. Thanks for watching.